Hi guys, today on Borrow the Lights, we are making a super simple lemon glaze. So in my bowl, I have some powdered sugar, and to that, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. And I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm just going to mix that together. If you are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please be sure to do so that you don't miss out on any future recipe videos. Now I'm adding in another tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm going to give that a mix. Now whenever I make glaze, I like to always start with just 2, maximum 3 tablespoons of my liquid and combine that in, and then depending on how thick my glaze is, I'll continue to add an additional tablespoon or even teaspoon and a half of my liquid and stir that in until I've reached the desired consistency that I'm looking for. Now I was using this glaze for my lemon poppy seed cake, which I have in another video that I'll link below, and I didn't want this glaze to be too thick. I wanted to be able to easily drizzle this over top of my cake. So that's about it. That's how you make a simple lemon glaze. You can use this glaze over cakes, waffles, donut holes, pancakes. It's so easy and really delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.